Hello. Now I will discuss about the software testing lifecycle. Already before session we have discussed the SDLC software development lifecycle, and in this session we will discuss about the software testing lifecycle. So what is software testing lifecycle? Similarly, when we will develop the software, we will follow the phases for build the software or develop the software because of high quality, high reliability meets with customer expectation. So similarly, software testing life cycle, we will follow the some phases for the same high quality, high reliability, provide all documentation to customer, and if any bug or defect raise, so we'll do the fix in the development area. So we will know definition, the STLC. So STLC definition is the software testing life cycle is a sequence of specific activities conducted during the testing process to ensure software quality. It involves both verification and validation activities. Here a high-level overview of the STLC phases. So first, requirement analysis. What is the requirement analysis? Requirement analysis is the similarly with SDLC. Okay. So understanding and analyzing the requirements to identify testable requirements. Means when we gather the requirement from customer, after that when we will start the testing, first we will follow the understanding of the customer expectation, then analyzing. If this expectation means this point it's proper or not, we will decide it. Means our testing team will do decide it. Suppose invalid email ID should not accept. This will decided this, and existing email ID second time it's not accept. This also we will decide it. And after sign up, if we not provided same email ID that we registered at the time of sign up, suppose when we sign up that type we provided the email id testing 123 at the rate gmail.com, but when we sign in that type we use capital T, then esting 123 at the rate gmail.com. If accept this email id, so we will decided it is a bug, and we will raise the bug through Jira or Backlog or Mantis, any bug tracking tool or Excel. Okay, this is the analyzing part. And deliverables. What is the deliverables? So when we will do the testing, after we will provide it the test cases, test plan, test report, bug report, both will deliverables based on the project. If customer do not want the bug report, so it's okay, we will not provide it. But if customer wants the bug report, so we should do the provide bug report. Okay, so requirement traceability matrix is the we will check all requirement is mapping or not in the test cases, because test case we will use when we will start the testing. Second, automation feasibility report. If we will do the automation testing, so we will provided the automation feasibility report. Okay, so now just we will draw some things. Suppose this is the um, customer customer expectation. Okay, this is the test cases, and this is the testing. So when we will do the testing, what we will follow? Obviously, test cases. When we will do the testing, we will follow the test cases, right? But how we will write the test cases? We will write the test cases according to the customer expectation. So customer expectation is mapping or not, we will ensure through the test cases. Test cases, understand, test cases, this is the RTM. My all test cases is mapping or not from the customer expectation, and after that we will do the testing. So first, what we will do, customer expectation, then test cases, then we will apply the RTM, requirement traceability matrix, then we will start the testing. Okay, now coming to the second point, test planning. So what is the test planning? Already we will discuss the before session planning of the SDLC, but here we will discuss the test planning. So test planning is when actually STLC is fully about with of the testing. It's not related any development. So test planning. First, test planning. What is the activities test planning? Defining the scope. Already we'll discuss what is the scope. Scope means when we will deliver the software, what is the ambition, what is the manpower should be required, how many tools will be required. This is the scope. Objective, what is the ambition of the project? Suppose LMS project, ambition is the learning, because we will upload the video, student will show the session. E-commerce project, buyer will be buy the product, seller will be sell the product. This is objective. And approach for testing, what is the approach? Approach means what we will do the actually testing, means which area we will do the testing. Suppose sign up section, sign in section, design of the sign up section, design of the sign in section. Then when we will sign up, after we will check the same email ID when we will register at the time of sign up. Those are approach. Estimating effort and resource needed. Second, deliverables. Test plan documents we will deliver, means what is our test plan? Test plan means when we will start the testing, what is the deadline, how much manpower, and oh, which tools we are used. This is the document. And what is the test cases, how many test cases we are right, and how many bug we find. This is the plan. So this test plan document we will provide to the customer. Effort estimation. Effort estimation means how much effort we will apply, means how much time we'll apply for the testing, how many bug, how much manpower, how many tools. Those are the effort, and this is the estimate, means how much time we will apply. It will be add, means plus. After that, how much manpower it will be add, and after that, how many tool and how many bug will the raise. So when individually we will sum, this is the estimate. Okay. Then tool selection. Which tool we are used for the test planning, not test planning. Which tool we are used for the testing. Suppose for the bug tracking we use Jira. For the test cases we'll use the Excel, and for the testing a test step we will use the selector hub, and for environment we'll use the Windows or Linux or Mac OS, and which system we use, suppose HP or HCL, and or if use the any mobile phone, so which mobile phone, which device, which version we use, etc. These are tool. And if automation, so Selenium, Java or Python or browser stack for performance testing, JMeter for API testing, Postman. Okay, these are the tools we will write. And resources, resource planning, and what and how much resource we apply for this planning, means how much tools, how much manpower, and how much test cases. So all will be the resources. So those will deliver to the customer. Okay, understand. Next, test case development. What is the test case development? Designing and detailed test cases and preparing trace data. Uh, Next session, we will discuss how to write the test cases. But in this session, just understand of the definition. What is the test cases? Okay, test cases is the designing detailed test cases. Means suppose company name, project name, and project manager name, and tester name, which date we are the testing, and after that which component we are the test, suppose sign up or sign on, sign in, or product page, or add to cart page, or wish list. Then we will write the description, then we will write the precautions, means suppose for this testing we use internet and this URL. After that, we will write the test step, which step we will follow for this description. Then we will write the test data if the sign up. So we will write the test data, means email ID, password, or and then the first name, last name, and address, pin code, etc. Then we'll write that expectation. What should be this expectation? Suppose after click the sign up button should be display the sign up successfully. So this is my expectation. And actual means what is actually show. If after click the sign up button, it's actual display uh, redirect the sign in page, but customer expectation should be display the sign up successfully. So it will be the bug. Okay. Because after when customer expectation after sign up should be display the sign up successfully, but after sign up it's redirect to the sign in page, so it's the actual. So my expected and actual result it's not matched. So this is the bug. Mm, then status means done or fail. If the done is done or if the fail is fail, then which tester will execute the description. This is the test case development. Next session we will I will discuss about how to write the test case. Okay, and deliverables. This test case we will deliver to the customer. Then test script for automation, and when we will do the automation testing, we will also deliver the script to the customer. And test data, and what is the test data, which data we are using for the testing time, this is the test data, this also we will provide it. Next, test environment setup. Test environment setup is which environments we will the testing. Suppose we will testing the Ubuntu or Mac OS or Windows. This is the environment. Or suppose which version in the Chrome or Mozilla or Safari. This also will be the environment. Okay, and this environment, which environment we are testing, this also we will deliver when we will deliver to the software. Test environment ready, smoke test result, those we will deliver. Then test execution, it is the importance and main and final part when we will deliver the report. Test executing the test case, when we will the execute the test case, after we will write the test case, then we will execute through the test case. For suppose uh, suppose geminiqa.com. In this test case we will write, when we will search the SDLC, after enter should be come anything, but sorry, software development life cycle. We search, it's showing software development life cycle. After click the software development life cycle, then we'll display this page. So it's the executing. So those will write the test step, how I will execute this this description, and I will write first description, which one we want to the execute. So this will be right in the test cases. So this is the execution. So this execution test case and recording the result. And when we will record the result, suppose if we on the screen recorder or anything, or for automation when we will take screenshot, or for the cypress take the video footage. So this result also we will provide. Reporting and logging defects. Report means when we will make the report, and defects reports also we will provide it. So deliverables already I said. Test execution result. So this result we will deliver to the customer means test cases. Test cases is the test execution result. When we will executing the test cases, after we will write the actual result. So these test cases we will provide to the customer. And defect logs, okay, means bug report. And last phase is the test cycle closure. Evaluating the test cycle completion criteria and preparing test metrics. When we completion the all criteria of the testing, then we will prepare the test metrics. Test metric means how already I said scope and RTM and estimation. So those are the test metrics. And bug report, how many bug report we all releases. So those are the test metrics. Then documenting the learning and best practices, then we will the document for the learning, for the training purposes. Okay, so this is the test cycle closure. And deliverables, we will deliver the test summary report. So after completion the test, we will make the report. This will call the test summary report. Then metrics, and we will document the all effort. This will call the metrics. Then close the report. After we will close the report, then lesson learned. Lesson learned means it's the training purposes. Okay, thank you. And next phase we will discuss about the difference Stlc and SDLC. Thank you so much.